Hello, good afternoon everyone. Once again, this is your friendship Sherman Fernandez. And for today's video everyone, samahan niyo ako, papasukin natin ang isa sa mga pinakasikat na park dito sa May Labuan, Malaysia. So let's go!
Let's go.
Yeah, terus.
What is inside here?
Alright, so for today's video, ayan, titinan natin ang kanilang Taman Burong Labuan. Ito po yung mga nakakapaskil sa kanilang mga area dito. Ayan, Swan Goose. We have also the Cochin Chicken, the Spotted Dave, Green Imperial Pigeon, Rainbow, Loricat, and many more. Why you cry, Hilang Mera? Hello. Bremenicite Hilang Mera. How are you?
Mama, dito ka po to, Mama. Yes, sige, may burong yan. May burong yan mga siguro. Igal. Be careful, eh.
Hello.
Jaga. Don't flash, ya. Nanti dia apa tuh dia?
Okay, how do we identify if the peacock is male or female?
The tail. If the tail is long, it's a male.
Oh.
The tail is short, it's a female.
So this one is the biro blue one. This one is apa nih?
This one might be the male. This one is probably the female.
Oh, that one
because you
is
see
the
the
male.
feathers, no colors. This one is the male to impress the lady.
Yeah, beautiful.
Wow.
Hello. We have also the white color. Come here. Okay, how about there, the two?
Yeah.
We have also here. Quick. Hello. Come. Quick. Alright, so let's move on forward to the next. Alright, so let's proceed on. Next na tayo. And maglalakad tayo and maghahanap tayo ulit ng mga birds. Eto, oh my god, the dogs.
This one is pigeon.
So we have also the dabs here on the cage. Hello. Why your eyes is red? Hello. Why didn't you move? Move. Okay. Come. Hello. Golden Pleasant Quang Mas. Crepus Pictures. Okay. Quick. The small bird. Okay, how are you?
If you provoke it.
I'll see.
If you want to catch it, it will probably eat you. Probably eat your finger. I don't know, baby bird.
Come here.
If you suka ni baby bird.
Jatuh.
Look, that is a baby chicken. It's a chicken.
Chicken. It's okay, chicken.
Baby
Because
chicken. It's a baby chicken.
yeah. Maybe I can go there for a while. So let's lalapitan natin siya, everyone. Ken? Yan siya.
I don't think you should go so close. That's beautiful to have to show.
Yeah.
That's also a baby.
Already. Oh, you walk. Very nice with the combination of the orange, the black, the white color. And ang kanyang macham corona. Okay, come here. Alright, thank you very much. And for today's video, ayan, ang dami rin nilang nakaano dito. Mga birds. So, ayan po ang kanilang mga cage. Meron silang long-tailed parakeet. Ayan. And papasok tayo for the next, ano nila. Na, banyak sini. Na, kan? OMG. Pwede tayong lumapit sa kanya. Kaso na natatakot ako, everyone. Baka kasi kukurin ako. Hello. Come here. Come here. Hello. What a very nice combination of the color green. Na, pwede mo silang lapitan, everyone. Hindi naman sila delikado o nangangagat. Ayan, oh. So, very friendly naman sila as well. And of course, aside from that, meron din silang white color of birds. And meron din silang doon sa kabila. So, very comfortable. And hindi naman sila mailap for today's video. Ayan ang kanilang cage. And pwede sila naglalakad sila. Hindi naman sila takot, everyone, sa mga tao. So, I think sanay na sila sa mga ano dito. Ayan, marami. So, pwede tayong lumakad-lakad lang na normal para hindi sila mabulabog. So, it's okay. Ayan. And meron din silang white color. Maganda dito, everyone, is talagang behave lang sila. Ayan. Super behave lang ang ating mga friendship na birds. Hello, where are you going? Hello. Yan, tuwan-tuwa yung mga bata. Pinapakain nila. Meron din dun sa taas. Alright, so everyone, ito po yung style o itsura ng kanilang cage. Ayan. It's on more on mga birds. And then meron din sila mga chicken na papansin natin. Pero yung chicken nila, hindi naman ganun ka-ordinary. So, meron, as we can see ito, meron din na nakapark dito sa may gilid na nakalagay na ganyan. Ayan, very friendly naman ang mga birds nila. And meron din sa taas. Ayun. And ayan, makakasalubong din natin sila pag naglalakad tayo sa kanilang hallway. Meron din. So, very friendly. Ayan, hello, how are you? Hello. And, eto. Behave, super behave naman. Hello. Come here. Quick, quick. So, ganun lang sila. Very friendly as well. And of course, makikita nila ang very kakaiba naman ang uri ng bird. Ayan. Hello. Hello, how are you? Quick, quick, quick. And very different ang kanilang style. The combination of the color is a very unique. Okay. So, ito naman ang nakalagay sa taas nila. Ayan naman ang kanilang mga dabs. Ito po yung kanilang area, yung sa loob po mismo ng kanilang park, no? As we can see, medyo malapad naman po siya. I mean, malawak naman po siya ang area po ng kanilang park. So, this is one of the most important thing. This is malawak ang dapat na isang park para maluwag yung mga tao makakapag-ikot. Bali, pwede tayo bumili mga friendship ng kanilang mga souvenir. So ayun lang mga friendship, I hope na nag-enjoy kayo. Thank you very much everyone for watching and see you in my next video.